Smoke testing, we set up a smoke machine on our sewer manholes. It's a fairly economical way to try to find infiltration and inflow in our sewer system. One of our purposes for trying to stop this inflow is we don't want surcharging the line, which could possibly lead to overflow in the sewer system. As the smoke is put into the line, if there's a cross connection with the storm drain, or if we have clean out caps that are off or broken, we can identify them fairly easy with detecting the smoke. Our smoke testing is basically set up, we have two different large sheds, which one's our Cross Creek Basin and then our Rockfish Basin. Our engineering department kind of tells us where we need to go as far as with the use of flow monitor data. If we have a spike in the line when it rains, then we know that's one of the areas we need to target. So we're kind of system-wide with the smoke testing, depending on what subshed is showing the biggest infiltration rate when it rains. When the crew sets up on the manhole and starts the smoke test, if the plumbing in the house is what it should be, there shouldn't be no smoke coming into the house. All the traps, will stop the smoke from coming into the house. From outside the house, you should see smoke coming out of the vent stack, which is, what we want to see. Pretty much, if all the drains are full of water and the plumbing's intact, there won't be any smoke in the house. As we're doing our inspection, we do look at the customer side lateral. If they have any caps off, we will replace them if it's something simple, because we're also getting inflow in from customer cleanouts as well. And they could have an issue on their side, and we might see smoke, coming out from under their house or what have you. The customer could see smoke come in the house if they could have a sink that they don't use periodically, and the water in the trap of that sink might dry up, and that would let smoke come into the house. So all floor drains at businesses and traps in residential homes should be full of water, which need to be full of water anyway, so gases and other odors cannot come in the house through the sewer system. When we smoke the manhole, you'll definitely see smoke at the site where the smoke's being introduced. All the other lids in the neighborhood, there might be smoke coming out the lift holes on the manhole. Any clean outs that have caps missing will be smoking. And other than that, the only other thing that should be smoking is the roof vent on people's houses. If there's smoke coming up, it could be coming up in the yard, from the street all the way to the house. That could mean there's a separation in pipe, there could be a cracked pipe, and that's our main focus, because if smoke can get out, that usually means rainwater can get in. The smoke we use is non-toxic. It will not harm birds or fish or animals in the house. It does have a distinct odor, not unpleasant, but distinct odor if it does get in the house, and it will not leave any residues in the house. Some of the new style smoke detectors that are in the homes now don't pick up just heat, they pick up smoke in the air. So we do have some that it will set off. A lot of businesses we smoke have a more detailed smoke detector, and it will set them off. That's why every time before we start a smoke on the street, we call in to the fire departments and let them know that we will be smoking in that area. We do try to notify the people as best we can. We have we put the ads in the newspaper in the areas we're going to be in. We have it listed on the website, the areas we'll be in. I think we also have a Facebook site where that information is listed. When we're smoking on the street, we have signs we'll put up at the entrances just to let people know, and it does have a contact number on there for more information if the customer is wanting to know more about what's going on. If people do have questions or concerns about a smoke test, we do have a number they can call to get more information, or talk to customer service representative.